video, I am going to recreate my rendition of Hazley. She recently got her hair and makeup done, and I thought it looked really pretty, and I haven't done, believe it or not, in the 90s, this was the style, and I used to rock it. Matter of fact, in my high school picture, my hair was like this, except the bun was bigger. If I could find the picture in high school, I will show you. But me and my best friend used to rock our hair like this, with the big hoop earrings and everything. I basically looked exactly like this, minus the thing in my head. Here, I looked like this. Basically. So if you want to see how I got this look, I even tried to put some little freckles on my face, which I need to put more because you can't, I mean, you could see it, you could see them, but I never wore freckles. I never did the freckle look. The only thing I'm missing is this mascara. Now, her lashes in this are not as voluptuous, but these are my favorite lashes. So, yeah. If you want to try this look, and you have some time to burn, today is Monday and there's no school for the kids, so the boys just left and Angie's here waiting for her friend, and I felt like being creative, so this is what I did with my creativity. The lighting is kind of bad in here, but Okay, so that seems to be a little bit better. You can see my freckles more. See? So here is my rendition of Hazley. With my big old forehead. I got a lot of space to do this junk. Matter of fact, I could bring it all the way down right here. Anyway, show me what you're working with. Alright guys, so I hope you liked this video. It's just something to look at basically, and watch me struggle doing these little spiralies on my head. Yeah, comment below if you used to wear your hair like this back in, I'm gonna say 1995, somewhere around there. Eyebrows were a little thinner. Yeah, until the next video, I love you mucho. I will catch you on the flip side.